Hey everyone, it's me, Paul. Going to be doing a repair on this Tesla 3 today. Quarter panels pushed in, and the rear bumper also has a big gouge over there. So I'm going to go into the inner panel, see if I can press this back out so I don't have to put so much body filler in it, and see if we can get this thing knocked out. It may be a 2-day repair, but we'll see. Let's get started. Okay. I got access to the rear quarter panel, and what I'm going to do is push back out in this area, try to convince this metal to come out a bit. So let's go ahead and knock it out. Okay, I got a lot of that out. I'm gonna pound on it a little bit more to get some of those areas out, but we got that body line pretty straight. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of filler and reshape that line again. So we got most of that metal out. Okay, I got everything boxed off, ready for primer. Okay, got everything prepped. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, block down the primer, and about 90% of it's already been knocked down with 600. Got all the gaps scuffed except for this part for my color check tomorrow. I'm gonna have to retape a little bit in here from the sandpaper hitting. And that's about it. We will continue mañana.